2017. He just had signed with the Patriots. I got traded probably like a month after.
It always been hard for me to like be cool with offensive players just because the only offensive player I've been like super close with.
I think it is unique, receiver DB. But it was always one of those things we understand when we cross those lines, ain't no friends.
To the end zone, and it's intercepted at the 3-yard line. Gilmore jumps up and grabs it.
The Super Bowl week.
I'm still sick about that.
We didn't talk none that week.
It's crazy because kind of the same thing happened. He got traded first, and then about a month later, I got traded here to the Cowboys. And it was like, bro, we said it.
We kind of planned it. It was like, let's go to the Cowboys.
Even though we know we ain't really have
no control over it.
Not like it was free.
Yeah. We fit into this organization that's got a good team and try to win.
One goal.
It's to win.
It's to win.
Yeah,
the name of the game is to win. But putting on that star, it's special. I mean, it's America's team for a reason. Jerry know what I'm saying.
He know what he's
Jerry
doing.
know what he's doing. I mean,
and so many great players done played for this organization.
Micah Parsons, such a force.
Like one thing about Micah, he want to be great. That's one thing I love about him. He willing to do like anything.
Definitely got a lot of trust in him.
Yeah.
Tell him we doing this, we doing that. He coming.
Yeah.
I.e., we got on that plane with no hesitation.
He was so nervous.
Yeah, I know. Nah, he's special, man. Like, he got it. For this would be year 3, ain't it?
3, yeah. And he want to be great. That's the thing. Like, I was happy to be able to see a close person every day.
He gonna be long after we go.
Yeah.
going crazy. So,
yeah.
When you get to these years, year 10, year 12, like not only your job is to come help make plays, but it's also to pass that game along to the next generation. Because for me, CD, I mean, he's special. You know what I mean? He got it. Like I say, like he a Hall of Famer already. You got to put it in. You got to put the work in.
I think Trey, he's so talented. Like the stuff he does with the ball, and the ball in the air, and I always try to pass knowledge down because
that's what it's all about.
That's why you play the game.
If you don't.
Yeah.
And the quarterback for the Jets is down, and Rodgers is limping as he gets to the bench.
When you got a talent like that in this league, like you, as a fan of football, you want to see that out there. So definitely, and I truly mean it when I say, I don't say it like my prayers up for him for a great recovery. Hopefully this ain't it for him.
I wanted to see him, play the Jets and see how far he could take that team, but
not too far though.
Not too far. Playing us in the Super Bowl.
Yeah.
Huge thanks to Gilmore.